Hello. In the last class we were discussing about the order of execution of constructor and destructor while inheriting a C++ class. So now we can practically see from the earlier discussion, from the earlier class, this is going to be a demonstration of that concept. Here you can see that, like we have been doing, there is a class of a father. So there is a family name, father's family name, there is a age actually in the public, and this is the constructor, that means the function of the same name as class. So I said, okay, you entered into the father constructor, and I have defined some family name for the, initialized some family name for the father. Now the family name of the father will be same as the family name of the child and grandchild and all. So how do we inherit that actually? That is what is the problem. Now I have just purposefully defined a function called display family name and age. So I am just displaying through a print function the age and family name. This is a destructor which is said, which gets executed when the father object is created and when it is destroyed. So something like that. Now you have simply created a child class. Earlier this entire portion was blank. Now I have put in this, just I have put in a constructor of the name child and a destructor of the name child. Now you have, that means you have inherited child and a father from the father. So now the main function looks very simple. You are creating a child C. That means you are creating an object of the child, and you are displaying the display family name and age of the child also. See, family name of the child is taken from the father, you will see that, and age will be, let us see whose age will be printed. Is it child's age or father's age? So it will definitely be the child's age. So that is what you are going to see that. And what is the order of execution of constructor and destructor? Like I said, first father's constructor will be executed. After that child's constructor will be executed when you call this child one. Then the destructor, it is other way. It is going to be other way. You are going to see that here. See, when I execute this, you can see this is what is coming on the screen. So you can see in a bigger font how this is looking like. Now let's say if I can see, make it a little more bigger, that is what I want to show it to you. So this is how it is looking like. So now you can see that the father constructor executed first. When I created an object of the child only. So it went to the father and executed father's constructor. After that it executed its own constructor. Then I called a function, you can see that there is called a display family name age of the child. So this function is sitting in the father's class and it has been inherited from there. So it went inside that father's function, and family name is family house name given by father. That means it has borrowed the family name from the father because his child has borrowed that. And age is 40. This is very important. So this age 40 is of whom? This is what is the question. And father destructor is now executed. So constructor is father, then child. Destructor is child and then father. Something like that. So the child and then father. It's the other way of the constructor. So the 40, let us now check where is this 40 coming from. So child, now age of the C, that is child, is displayed as 40. So where from it came? That is my question. So you can see that actually, you can see that it's all happened because it executed the constructor of the father where it was initialized as 40. But, and this age was also a public. Now had I put the real age of the child here, let's say age of the child was 20. Now I again execute the same thing. You can see that now the child's real age has come. Though it went and took the function from the father, but he keeps its own identities. It keeps the family name anyway, child doesn't have, father's name he has taken, and the age he has kept his own age because it has been initialized in the constructor of the child. That means child and father can be totally independent also, and it can inherit also. That is what it